Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making for you guys homemade burgers, and these ingredients are straight from like the natural grocery store. You guys, this is like my summertime go-to. Like, you just have to make a homemade burger in the summertime. Like, it is a must. So anyways, let's jump right into this video. So for starters, this is what I'm putting on my burger patty. And next we are just going to be cutting up the veggies. Like, there's just nothing more than just putting fresh veggies like on your burger, like knowing exactly where the ingredients came from instead of just going to a store or just going somewhere and just buying a burger. You don't know where the tomatoes came from. You don't know any of that. So when you start cooking for yourself, you're just like, oh my goodness, I know exactly where this was from, and it feels good. So this is definitely optional, but you do not have to add jalapenos to your burger. For me, I love a spicy homemade burger with some jalapenos, so I'm definitely going to add them in. But again, you do not have to. It's totally your preference. Okay, now things are starting to get interesting, so I just want you guys to bear with me. So you're gonna take a pan, you're gonna add some water to it, then you're gonna start cooking your bacon. And then that bacon, you're gonna add that barbecue rub to it, along with some cayenne pepper to give it that kick, along with that sweetness. You guys, it makes bacon so much more flavorful. And then you're gonna take that same pan after you cook the bacon, and you're gonna add your jalapenos to this pan. You're gonna cook the jalapenos for about 1 minute, and then you're gonna add some mushrooms to the same pan. You can add in more seasoning if you want. Then you're done cooking that, and you're gonna use the same pan to start cooking your burger, okay? And then that's when I added in whatever ingredients it is that I wanted to add, so you guys can do the same. And then when I was done, guys, so when I was done, this sauce right here, I feel like I need a pause. So the sauce is actually grape jam along with mustard with a hint of barbecue sauce and some ketchup. And oh my goodness, I'll sound like a big fat girl for real, but you guys definitely need to try this sauce on a burger, okay? That's all I have to say. And basically, just like that, you're done with the burger. Now you're gonna put it together, and yeah. Honestly, like, I'm getting depressed right now because I made this burger video probably like 3 weeks ago. And so now that I'm editing it and watching this up close and personal, I'm getting hungry, and like, I really want this burger again. But who's not about to go to the grocery store at 11:59 p.m. is me. But this, my goodness, this burger is so good. Look at the angles. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm about to log off. I'm logging off. That was some heat right there. That was some heat. But anyways, you guys go ahead and try this recipe out and let me know what you think. Please try that sauce. It is one of a kind. It is one of a kind. Woo. Okay, so I legit, this is so embarrassing. I need to go to the gym, okay? But that is beside the point. But I legit had 2 of these burgers back to back. Please don't judge me. And then like the next day I worked out, so I felt better. But 2 burgers back to back, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. Those jalapenos with the mushroom, with the sauce, and just like everything. I'm hungry right now. I'm so hungry, y'all. I'm so hungry. Okay, I gotta log out for real this time. So I want you guys to go ahead and make this for your little boo thing, for your whatever you got going on. But go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Please feel free to leave a comment. Let me know how it went. And I will see you guys on my next food video. Peace and love. Bye.